5 men, 1 heart. A legend in the industry. In early 1986, MSI founder and CEO Joseph Xu, a specialist in the design, research and development of electronic products, he seized an opportunity to set up a company in the motherboard industry. Xu asked 4 good friends with similar professional backgrounds to partner with him in the venture. They rented an inexpensive old apartment located on Fuxing South Road that would serve as the office for the newly established Microstar International Company Limited. In addition to President and CEO Joseph Xu, the company consisted of 4 senior vice presidents: Frank Lin, Jean Huang, Henry Liu, and Kenny Yeo. All R&D and design work, testing, packaging, and shipping was done from this 100 square meter flat. The team stood by a differentiation strategy to make products that customers wanted. These are reasons for the continued growth that MSI has enjoyed. In 1987, MSI introduced the world's first overclocking 80286 12 MHz motherboard, causing a stir on the market and coining the term overclocking. In 1989, MSI officially expanded internationally, starting first with the European market. Its first branch office, established in Frankfurt, Germany, would be MSI's point of penetration for Europe. After establishing a firm foothold in Europe, MSI opened new markets. The US is the largest computer market in the world, so if MSI could command a part of the US pie, it would have a niche for itself in the industry. Henry Liu, who was responsible for developing the American market, confides, "There were many obstacles in the US that we never imagined. For example, language, culture, and companies that had the market cornered were huge stumbling blocks. It was very difficult for us to negotiate business with Americans, so we changed our strategy and hired locals who were familiar with the US market to run operations there. As a result, MSI was finally able to get its foot in the door of the US market. Since 2002, MSI opens new territories and directions by positioning itself using new system technology integration. 2002, introduces world's first Bluetooth motherboard. 2006, debuts world's first solar-powered notebook computer. 2007, rolls out world's first overclocking notebook computer. 2008, unveils world's first and very popular 10.1-inch Win Netbook U100. 2009, takes on all-in-one computer market, wins 4th largest market share in world and biggest in Taiwan. 2009, officially expands into vehicle electronics products and immediately wins Best Choice at Computex. Insist on the best has been MSI's operating principle for almost a quarter of a century. Already a leader in the development and production of motherboards and display cards, MSI, armed with impressive R&D capabilities, expanded into a number of fields, including notebook computers, systems, and consumer electronics. MSI hopes that over the next quarter century, it will become ubiquitous in your digital life as it becomes the leading high-tech brand name in the hearts of consumers around the world.